Morning everyone, how are you? It is the 23rd of December. We have got one more shopping day after today. Sure, I don't need to tell you that. If I tell you, I'm just telling me really. Join me the other side of the intro and let's have some Karen's crazy Christmas fun. You ready? Hit it, maestro! Oh dear me. And how are you all? You all well? Right. Shall we do it? Shall we do it? I can't believe I've only got a couple more days left, right? So, December the 23rd, 2019. Lights, camera, action! I love that. So then, advent calendars. I nearly forgot because I got a box on top. Right, so then, first of all, my Milky Bar. Milky Bar kid is strong. I love that song. That's all I can ever think of when I get my calendar. Right, so then, the 23rd has what chocolate? We have got, oh, this is like the, this is Star that was on the Milky Bar. That rhymes, doesn't it? So, yeah. As they say in a Jaffa Cake advert, full moon, no moon. Epcot Stoke, look at the chart. Try again. We've got the Japanese temple there. I love this. So, what's going on to what I'm not functioning. Not functioning yet. Right, my bauble calendar, number 23. Do you have days like that where it takes you forever to wake up? Like 10 o'clock at night, you're still waking up. Look at this, it's a really dark, glittery brown with the little bow. I love this. It's like, I don't know what you call it. It's just a really fine bow. And because of the glitter on the bauble, it's come off and some of it's gone on the bow, but it's really pretty. So that's from my Primark calendar. Then, my Cauldron Crate calendar. Right, number 23. Right. So, what can it be in this? We get one on Christmas Day with this as well. I'm really impressed. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this. Oh, but it's lovely, but it's, yeah, you'll know what I mean. It's fairy wings. So inside here, I've got fairy wings. What's it said? It says something in 1955. Oh, I don't know how I feel. Is that good if I've got fairy wings? I feel like it's a bit like mutilation. You never know what's going to come out my mouth, do you? Yeah, neither do I. Anyway, shall we move swiftly on? We'll move swiftly on, and if you've got kids sat with you, you'll have to explain that. Not mine. I've got my magic launch bag. Now, I've got a story. I've actually got two of this. I've got this and I've got another one. How long have you had it, Karen? I can hear you screaming at the TV. Right, come closer. Because if Phil finds out, he'll go bonkers. Gone, how close? Right, no, put your ear up against the sound bar, because can't shout. Okay, there. This was posted to me on the 7th of May. I'd be like, why are you buying more than if you... I went away, didn't I? He took me away a lot, so inside, shall we have a look? Been naughty, right, so I've got a card, right, so it says on there, Dear Karen, welcome back to Magic Launch Bay. I feel dreadful now because I'm not ordered for 7 months. Thank you very much for your continuous support. We're always excited for your videos. You're a shining star to cheer us up. Oh, they're so lovely. I hope you enjoy the pins this time and find them as good traders for the Epcot event. So they'd obviously heard me on the video saying I was going to, oh, I feel dreadful now. Happy trading, Magic Launch, but I feel dreadful. Go and check them out down in the description box. I'll link them. It's a fantastic company, and to get mystery pins. This wasn't a subscription when I bought it. You had to buy the box. So whether they've done it now as a subscription box or not, I don't know. But I just have the Hong Kong pins in there. I specifically want them. I didn't want the ones from Walt Disney World or Disneyland because I could have bought those myself, or chances are one of my pickups would have picked it up for me. So yeah, so then inside here, they're all wrapped up lovely. So I have got, can't wait to see what they sent me. Now I do have him, but it's Michael, and he's out of one of the mystery sets, and I still have mystery sets to open from when I started, but we won't go there. So yeah, so that's Michael. I have got, you know, like Mary Poppins has got that magic bag that she delves into it. Yeah, I've got this magic drawer that you open and it's like, yeah, a paradise. Oh, now if I'd have known I'd have got this, I'd have sent this to Jessica. When we did the box swap, look, I've got a Winnie the Pooh hidden Mickey pin. Look at him, a baby hidden Mickey pin. Isn't that fabulous? So I love these. So in here we get 5 normal pins and 1 limited edition pin. So what have we got? Oh. I've got gelatoni ears. Look, that's another hidden Mickey pin. Look, they're just lovely. I love these. If you ever get the chance to go to Japan, go. And for anyone in the UK, it was only slightly dearer than a flight to America. It was. And when you're there, it's cheaper than America. So just saying, because we always think of going to America and not Japan, and it's amazing. This is really good. Now, this would have been a fab trader. And it's Forky. Look at that pin. Look at that. That's amazing. I think that's one of the Easter egg pins. Okay, we got one more normal one. No, that's really nice. We got Stella Lou. Let's take it out of the bag. Can't train me very well, can you? Right, so take it out of the bag. And we have got Stella Lou and Shelley May, Fruity Summer 2018. Isn't that a lovely pin? I wondered that it hasn't got rubberized elements, but it's a pin on pin, and it's actually got the raised enamel. That's really pretty. Really pretty pin. And then the last one, my limited edition pin. Oh, that's lovely. Wow. It's a limited edition of 300. Wow. They really found me something special for Epcot. I can't believe I haven't opened these. I'm so sorry, guys. Look at that. The 8th anniversary of Hong Kong Disneyland. The Cheshire Cat, and it's a limited edition of 300. Isn't that beautiful? Wowzers. That's beautiful. If you don't buy off them and you've never heard of them, check in the description box below. You need to open it up, click the little down arrow and open it up, and they'll be down there. Go and check them out. They're amazing, and it's a way to get not just current but older pins as well. Yeah, I can't believe I got that. How else would I ever get that pin? That's so special. Thank you so much for sending it me, and I'm so sorry I haven't bought for a while. I will be back. I will be back. Thanks so much, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed that. Have a wonderful evening, and don't forget, last shopping day tomorrow. Be good, be kind, take care of yourselves. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button coming at the end of the video, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you tomorrow. It's Christmas Eve. I've just had Slade blasting out in my head. You know, what is it? Or is it Wizard? Merry Christmas, everyone. That's what. See you tomorrow. It can only get worse.